Hey guys! Today I'll be bringing you a solar security camera by AOSU, Amazon product, ultra high definition cameras, 4 of them with 4 solar panels. Very nice product, high quality, durability seems good. I guess we'll see long term. I don't like the clips that are used to hold the cameras up. However, gravity is on its side and I don't think they're going to go anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to be shooting this from on top of this ladder. So this is a pine tree in my front yard, and this is one of the 4 surveillance cameras that I recently installed, and this is a really nice set. I know it's going to last a long time just based on the quality, the way that the camera mounts, and just the materials and everything that comes with it. So this is camera is by a company, AOSU, I think is how you pronounce it. But it comes with a 5 megapixel camera, and the set comes with 4 cameras. So I actually have 2 in my front yard and 2 in my backyard, which you can see here, the locations. Here's the first camera, and there's the second camera. And then in the front yard, I have the 3rd camera. And back here on this tree, I have the last camera. So the cameras have a 166 degree wide angle viewing, and it also comes with a camera sync, so you can track objects from camera to camera. When you're reviewing the footage, it all connects together, so that's pretty cool. There's several cool features in the application, which I'll show you in a second, which really make the product feel really nice and make it work really good. There's a couple other things besides security that I got this for, but people dropping off packages, being able to communicate with the mailman, being able to watch deer in my yard in the middle of the night, being able to see if my kids are outside, being able to check my garage door if it's closed. Oftentimes we go on trips and I don't know if it's closed or not, so this is a good way to do it. But there's no monthly fee. You get up to 32 gigabytes of storage space for free. So you don't need a subscription to view the cameras in real time. And the solar panel is very light but sturdy. Doesn't take up a lot of space. And the camera is super easy to adjust and super easy to install. The installation process is very easy. You basically just have a bracket and you got 3 screws that go around it. So it also comes with some anchors that you can use with the screws for the solar panel. And then the solar panel just has a USB-C plug, and the USB-C plug just plugs in on the bottom right here. The cable itself has some, you can see there, it's got some protection. So when you plug it in there, it's nice and waterproofed. So you're not gonna get any water in the bottom of the camera. So connecting the application to the home base is really easy. They give you an Ethernet cable, so you want to put this near your router or modem or wherever you can get the Ethernet plugged in. So you want to have this in a centralized location because it is going to feed out to all the cameras. This is in the middle of my house, and it's a perfect location, but it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's nice and light, and it looks pretty good as well. And then for the bottom piece, you can see here, this is all you got. So you got 2 screws, and which come with anchors as well. And then you could see the back here has a little triangle there, and you basically just put it in and you pull it down and you twist it. So here's the home interface for the application, and to add your cameras, it's as simple as hitting the plus sign on the top right. You scan the QR code with your camera and it automatically syncs together. So these are my 4 cameras here. I can also click on View Multicams, which shows all the cameras at one time, which is a useful feature. And while I have this open, I can still zoom in and look at the different things that are going on in each camera's scene. If you click on individual camera settings, there's a lot of different options here. You can change the name. You can share the device with, maybe you have a family member that's come to visit. You can share it with them temporarily. And it has motion detection, which will give you notifications if you have them turned on. I have them turned off because it is going to tell you every time it sees even a squirrel travel by. And it also has an auto alarm that can go off. So it has a night vision option, as well as which comes in like a black and white type look, and then you can also get colored as well. Cloud recording, as I said earlier, you get 32 gigabytes of regular space, and then if you want to pay, you can get additional cloud storage. But you can always view the cameras in real time for free. So the audio and video settings, there's lots of different setups in there. You can have the alarms as loud or as quiet as you want. You also have smart display access, which this is the best part. It connects to my Amazon Alexa and also to the Google Home software. So under smart security options, you can see that there's different modes for if you're away, you're going to go out of town, and you can change what the cameras do in these different situations. So that's a useful tool as well. Easy to use, very user-friendly, very responsive, and the cameras really have an outstanding image. And you can see here the zoom is great. I mean, you can really get down to the details.